Alright gentlemen, this is going to be a quick run through on how to save all of your VAS variables as well as all of your key bindings, face, and all that silly stuff in the squad URL that's located in your profile whenever you change your name. Because currently you lose that information in ArmA 3 when you do change your name, but this is going to show you how to save all that information so you don't have to remake all of those loadouts and key bindings and all that crap. First thing you're going to want to do is go up into your My Documents folder. You're going to go to ArmA 3 Other Profiles if you've created a second profile before. If you're still using your first profile, you're going to be looking for data that's in here under whatever main profile you have. But most of us have a second profile at this point, so you're going under ArmA 3 Other Profiles, and you're going to choose the profile that you are currently using. This is prior to changing your name. We use this account as an example. This is my current account. As you can see, it's updated every time you play, more or less. But we'll use this one as an example. So Thompson will say is the current profile I'm playing. This file here, thompson.vars.arma3 profile, is where all of your in-game variables are saved. So like your VAS files and whatnot. This one here, the normal ArmA 3 profile, contains all of your custom key bindings, face, pitch, voice, all that stuff in the squad URL, that type of business. So both of these are something you're going to want to save. What I normally do is just copy these and bring them out to the desktop, so you got a copy of them because you're going to need to have these files to change the name on them once we get the profile fixed. So now that we've copied those, what you're going to do is load up your ArmA 3. I'll go ahead and launch this in Windows so you can see it. Give it just a minute. Alright, so we got ArmA 3 up. I'm going to go ahead and switch over to that profile. So what we're going to want to do is, we'll say we're updating our name. I'm going to go ahead and edit this profile now that I've saved the data. We'll change the name to just Major Thompson, and we'll apply it. So we've got our updated profile information there. It actually went ahead and changed the name I had on that folder to Major Thompson. And now as you can see, there is a new ArmA 3 profile that overwrote the profile I had in there, which had all the custom key bindings and all that stuff. And there isn't a new VARS file at this point, but we don't want the new one anyway. What we want to do is get this new current name that it generated for us to put on these files. So move this out of the way. Actually close this. Oops. So now it's generated VARS and an ArmA 3 profile here. As you can see, this VARS is very small. It doesn't have your VAS loadouts or anything like that. What you're going to do is try to rename this, and then you're just going to copy the name on it and rename your original VARS file. So you can just paste that name in there. Same thing for the profile. If you copy that, you're going to go to your original profile with your original key bindings and everything, and just paste that name in there. And then ultimately what you should do is close ArmA 3, and you're going to take these files, drag them in here, and overwrite what you had in here. And that is going to bring back your original VARS with the original size. As you can see, these two files are the same now, and this one will have all my original key bindings and all my original face, voice, pitch, and squad URL and all that type of stuff. So next time when you load up, everything is back to normal just the way it was before. You wouldn't do anything else. Just make sure you always save a copy of these prior to changing your name. If you change your name and leave the profile screen, those files get overwritten and they are gone. But that's all there is to it. Pretty simple. Later.